So we are back. Good evening, everyone. Again, before we start, let me quickly say this. Please, if today is the first time of you coming across my video, please hit the subscription button so that anytime I put new videos, you will be notified. And moreover, share the video with your friends so that they can also learn from it. Now, again, we're going to continue with simultaneous equation. We just did one, and now we're going to do this two, and I will explain more because I just got some few questions now, which are a little bit confusing to some of the students. So in this case, let's start with this one. He said 9x minus 4y is equals to 19. That is equation 1. We'll call that equation 1. And then the equation 2 is 4x plus 4y is equals to 20. So that will be our equation 2. So like I've always said, I said, look, because we are using elimination method now. So we are eliminating either y or x. We'll eliminate one of the unknowns because we cannot solve two unknowns with a linear equation. So we will need more parameters in order to be able to do that. But if we decide to use elimination method, we will be able to solve this. So how do we use elimination method? It is by looking at the coefficient of x or the coefficient of y. For example, if we want to eliminate y, let's assume we want to eliminate y, and we have 4y here, and we have 2y here, for example. So the best thing we can do is to make sure that the coefficient of y are the same. And how do we do that? For example, if we have 4y here and we have 2y here, so we can start by, first of all, multiplying equation 2 by 2. If you do that, this will now become 2 times 2, 4, before you now carry out your mathematical operation. If it is going to be plus or minus, you need to do. We will come to such questions later. I hope we will come to such questions later. But now, the one we have is just direct for us. We have minus 4y here and we have plus 4y here, which means we can just add the two equations. If you add the two equations, this 4y and minus 4y will go away. Okay, let's do that. If we decide to add the two equations, 9x plus 4x will give us 13x. So minus 4y plus 4y will give us 0. That will be plus 0. And this will now give us 19 plus 20 will give us 39. So we now know that 13x is equals to 39. What is x? We have 13x equals to 39. So what is 1x? We divide both sides by 13 to get 1x. So we now divide this side by 13 and we divide this side by 13. If you do that, x is equals to 3. So we have x equals to 3. Now, substitute x equals to 3 in equation, let's say equation 2. You can still use 1. So if we do that, we have equation 2, which is 4. X is 3 now, plus 4y is equals to 20. So this will give us 12. 4 multiplied by 3 is 12, plus 4y is equals to 20. So now we want to work with only 4y, so we will remove 12 from both sides. So if you remove 12 from both sides, that will give you 4y is equals to 20 minus 12. 4y is equals to 8. 20 minus 12 is 8. Y is equals to 2. How do we get that? Divide both sides by 4. Cancel 4, here 2. So y is equals to 2. So in this case, our solution again is x is equals to 4, y is equals to 2. That's the answer. Okay, so let's try the other one. The other one is also very direct. It said 2x plus y is 36, x minus y is 36. So because we have plus and minus here, we just add them together. We add equation 1, we call this equation 1, and we call this equation 2. So we just add them together. So if you add them together, that will give you 2 plus 1, 3x, plus this becomes 0, y minus y is 0, and this becomes, I think it's 45. So 3x is equals to 45. Divide both sides by 3 to get x. X is equals to 15. So you have your value of x as 15. Now, since you have your value of x as 15, this time around we will substitute x in equation 2. Or let's do it in equation 1. Let's do it in equation 1. So we have substitute x equals to 15 in equation 1. We will have 2 into 15 plus y is equals to 36. So that will give us 30 plus y is equals to 36. So now how do we get y? We subtract 30 from both sides. So y is equals to 36 minus 30, which is equals to 6. So the solution to this equation is x is equals to 15, y is equals to 6. Just as simple as that. So what I will expect you to do is follow this step by step, listen to the video, play it more times so that you understand it more. If there is still any issues, drop a message in the comment section, and then we will look at it and get back to you. All right, thank you and all the best. So don't forget to hit the subscription button if this is the first time of you watching my video, and don't forget to share it with your friends so that they can also learn from it. So all the best. Thank you. See you later.